Hi guys, it's me Siddhi and here you are once again on Absolute Periwinkle. Gifts are never off season. Then let it be in a special occasion or just as a gesture of love. And what are even better than gifts are DIY gifts. So today's video is all about DIY gifts and these are really simple to make and yet when you would give them to someone special, they would love to have them. So without wasting any further time, let's get to the video. Also, today's video is going to be somewhat long, so just hang in there till the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button before continuing to watch the video.
Number 1 on the list is DIY fragrance candle. For this, we are gonna need some potpourri and paraffin wax and also a wick. If you guys don't have potpourri, then you can make it yourself. Just tap on the link above and watch my DIY potpourri video. So first I am using some old broken colorless candles and breaking them into small pieces. Now take a wick and stick it to the bowl using invisible tape. Now arrange your potpourri around the wick. Pour in your melted wax. Fill the bowl only to its half. And then take some lemongrass essential oil and pour 2 to 3 drops of it. Mix it well using a toothpick. And then fill the rest of the bowl with wax. Wait for it to dry. And voila, our fragrance candle is all ready. Next in queue is our vintage photo frame, which is just perfect to gift as a present to someone really special with a photograph of a special memory. For this one, we are gonna need plywood plank and some yarn and wooden clips. We first begin with painting the plank with some pastel blue color very roughly. Now I am gonna add some minor touch of golden paint to it. It will give it a sparkly yet old finish. We will now make use of some yarn and tie it in a crisscross manner. And also some at its top end. Now I have got sackcloth, which I will use to make a bow. For this, we need to cut it into a small piece and now fan fold it. I mean, do you remember those paper fans we used to make as kids? Yes, that exact fold. Now secure it using one of the yarn pieces. Paste it using Fevicol. Now's the time to add some final details. And as Mother's Day close, so I am adding a tag for mother using ice cream sticks. And woohoo, our vintage frame is ready. And now comes my personal favorite, which I am surely not gonna give to anyone, rather use it myself. It's a DIY jewelry box, which I have made using those paint boxes that we all have in tons. So firstly, just start by painting the edge of the lid using thick brown acrylic paint and let it dry. Now I'm gonna use some rucksack cloth again and cut it into a rectangular piece and paste it on the sides of the box as a whole, leaving about 1 to 1.5 centimeter gap from the lid end so that there is no problem in its functioning. Now just as the way when we gift wrap something, the way we cut the edges, similarly do it here and secure it using Fevicol. And then finally secure it using some tape. Now again take some yarn and wrap 2 rounds of it. Paste its end using Fevicol. Now again take some brown paint and paint the lid using a round brush. Put thick strokes to make a texture sort of on it. Let it dry. Now take some buttons that would go with your theme and paste them over the yarn at one corner. I have taken 2 buttons, one of them being smaller than the other. Now as this is a jewelry box and you won't want to ruin your jewelry, so we are pasting a velvet cloth inside the box. And yay, we are all done, and here's our super classy jewelry box already.
That was exhausting, but yeah, I really hope that you liked it and it was worth watching. And if it was, then make sure that you give it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you still haven't subscribed. Also, until the next video comes, stay tuned and do tell me in the comment section if you liked any of these 3 DIYs and which one was your favorite. So yeah, stay connected, stay tuned, and bye bye. Take care.